Okay, we just checked into our motel room.
True by Hilton in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Yeah, there we go. All right, so the first thing we do, we come in and there's your bathroom. There's some towels down there.
It's actually sort of cute.
Looks like there's some
Decoration.
cups down there. And you got some soap here on the wall. And some napkins and a hair dryer hanging here. The garbage can. And then you got a stand-up shower. Alright, here you got soap and shampoo, I guess, and rinse. Alright. Okay, this is evidently a coat rack and shirt rack or whatever.
A little fridge.
Yeah, a little baby fridge down there. There's an ironing board and an iron. Here's your thermostat for the air conditioned heating.
There is no coffee in the room,
No
but coffee is 24/7 downstairs.
Okay, no coffee in the room, but
24/7
downstairs. Got a large TV that looks like a 55-inch or 60-inch.
No, and our name is on the TV.
Oh, it's a guy. That's funny. All right, we got a little phone there, lamp, little chair. The room is kind of small.
The room is kind of small. Okay, a couple things that I would say. No carpet, it's laminate flooring.
That way there's no bugs.
Yep. I like the decor. I know the decor doesn't matter, but I like the decor.
Yeah.
It was kicking cold when we got here.
Oh, look,
I love it.
really,
You know.
really cold.
So, you know the air works.
Yeah. Okay. There's a little hanger system there for your stuff.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So that's it. This is a king size bed.
A little table that you can move around if you want to eat or...
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Until the next episode.